log in if any such case. Good morning. So on page number 120, you have to fill the blanks. 18 multiply by what and what, so that no, 18 is the product, so you have to multiply which two numbers so that get the 18.
Ma'am, page number?
120, 120.
Ma'am, we
And
have to
second
write
is
this.
another, it is there in your textbook, fill the blanks. So there is dash row with dash plants. So how you are going to fill here? Because 18 product you can get with different ways. So which two numbers multiplied and you will get the product 18?
Ma'am, 6 threes are.
Yes, we Niva.
Ma'am, 3 6 are.
3 multiplied by 6, 18. Yes, Viva.
9 twos are.
9 twos are, yes, 18. There are different ways. Any other way, Tej Kumar? Up. You have two blanks, only fill them, and then for the practice, we are doing the other also. Yes, Tej Kumar, give me another way of.
6 threes are.
Very good.
Ma'am, may I say? Ma'am, can I say one more? Ma'am, may
Yes,
I,
Manya.
Manya?
Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, 2 nines are.
2 nines. Okay. Yes, Moksh.
Ma'am, 18 ones are.
18 ones are. Okay. Okay, there are many. One more is that 118s are. Right? These are the many steps you can find the two digits you can multiply and get the product same. Okay. Now this I'm going to show you, present you the screen based on the same. There will be, wait a minute, when I will present, then you will understand it better. Kevyan, again I request you to coming in a class and sitting like this is not enough, bacha. Come and be active in the class. Okay? Be active, come on time and be active. The worksheet which I'm going to present it right now, you don't have to draw the pictures. You only have to write the multiplication statement. Only fill this blank. Now, children, one thing I want to explain you. You can either take the column first and the row next. It's up to you, right? Because when we interchange the multiplicand and multiply, ultimately the product will be same. So when you count these products which I am showing you here, the ice cream scoops, so 1 2 3 in the row and 1 2 3 4 5 in the, sorry, 1 2 3 4 in the column. So 3 into 4 I can also take, or you can make the equation like this, that 4 into 3.
Ma'am, we can
Ultimately,
draw circles instead of this.
you can draw circles, flowers, any other pictures also which you are good in drawing. Okay, do this a picture, do this, or you want that this I can give you in the chat box link so that you can turn it into the Google Docs and do it. You want that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait, I'll give
Ma'am,
you the
no,
link
ma'am.
of this worksheet.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, we can write in also this notebook, no?
No, any one thing, either you, because you have to submit me either the worksheet, you can submit me, or you can submit me the notebook work.
Ma'am, we also write in class notebook, no? No, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Can you send this worksheet as a homework in the classroom?
Yeah, I will send, as I am going to post it in the classroom right now only.
So we have to do it right now. It's not working, so I can
Yeah,
do
this,
it in notebook.
see, wait. I will give you the decisions now.
So,
Wait a
ma'am,
minute.
we have to do the worksheet right now.
It is your classwork.
Ma'am,
Maths
you can also do it in Google.
chapter 11 worksheet 2. Am I visible to you all?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you send again? I can't.
Very nice. Next.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Not posted yet.
Ma'am,
Oh, take a minute. I'm going to solve your problem. Wait a minute.
Excellent.
Okay, now listen to me, right? I am giving you many options. See, the way you are doing your worksheets. When I send the worksheet, some are doing in the notebook, some are converting them in the Google Docs, some are doing them taking the print. It's up to you. Some are doing in the notebook. It's up to you the way you want to do. Please start doing this worksheet. Don't give me
Can't
excuse.
see.
I don't have a printout. I am not able to convert it into the Google Docs. Aradhya, I will answer your query. Just a minute. So start doing this worksheet, as well as I'm going to give you this link in the chat box also. Open this link and open this worksheet and start doing this and give me the answers along with this now. Yes, Aradhya, solve your problem. Ask your query.
Ma'am, you can say it again. I don't see it. Ma'am,
It
I
is
can't see the link, so now I can see.
now you can see. Okay. Nishwa, go to the classroom. Refresh your classroom. It will come.
Ma'am, we have to draw or not?
If you are doing in the worksheet, no need to draw. If you are doing in the notebook, then draw some another pictures. If you're not able to draw the exact pictures, कुछ और draw कर दो. But the number of objects should be same. अगर आप spoons draw कर रहे हो, flowers draw कर रहे हो, dots draw कर रहे हो, circles draw कर रहे हो, but the number of quantity should be same. अगर 16 है तो 16 ऑब्जेक्ट्स होंगे, रो और कॉलम भी सेम अरेंज होगा, द वे इट इज देयर ऑन द वर्कशीट. यस तेज कुमार.
Ma'am, I am printing, so my camera will be off. It is
Okay. Now I'm going to present it and I will ask the questions along with it. Kevian, you are blank. Where you are doing? Are you doing in the worksheet or in the notebook? Start doing, please.
okay.
Dhyan Patel, Grant, turn on your camera. Divit Neva, turn on your camera and start doing.
Ma'am, I'm doing it in
Okay.
classroom, so my camera is getting off.
Okay, got it. So
Ma'am,
now
my
I'm going to present the screen and
Ma'am,
we'll ask
I'm
the questions.
Ma'am, I am doing in worksheet.
Okay, understood. And please submit it also at the same time. So, okay, first question I will ask from Dhyan Patel. Dhyan Patel, which two numbers you will write and you will get the product? कि आपको काउंट नहीं करने हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स. चिल्ड्रन, द रीजन ऑफ एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, डोंट काउंट द नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स, जस्ट काउंट हाउ मेनी आर इन द रो एंड हाउ मेनी आर इन द कॉलम. तो आपको आंसर इजीली मिल जाएगा एंड यू कैन टैली बाय काउंटिंग द ऑल द ऑब्जेक्ट्स. जब आप टैली कर सकते हो कि वाकई में आपका आंसर सही है कि नहीं है. So first one, Dhyan Patel will tell me. Dhyan Patel, first one. What will come here in the first blank?
First line.
Dhyan Patel,
May I?
what will come in the first? You were there in the yesterday's class?
No, ma'am. Yesterday I was absent because there was a marriage.
Then Vedant will answer me. Yes, Vedant.
No, ma'am, I have a question, ma'am.
Please ask.
Ma'am, tomorrow you said that what are columns and what are rows.
Rows.
So, ma'am, I get it confused, ma'am, and I forgot what are rows and what are columns, ma'am.
Okay. So now I will explain you. Listen here. And it was not tomorrow's class, it was yesterday's class.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
This is one line, two line, three line, four lines. So how many lines are in the column? Standing lines are the columns,
Okay.
right? And sleeping, how many sleeping lines? 1, 2, 3. Sleeping
Four.
lines are the row.
Okay, ma'am.
Sleeping lines are the row and which are 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Sleeping lines are the 3 which are rows and standing line are the 4 which are columns. So here either you can say 4 multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by 4. You can first use the column or the row. It's up to you because ultimately the product is going to come same. Till here everyone is clear? Any doubt to any child? ध्यान पटेल, अब आप कल नहीं आए थे तो आज की क्लास वेस्ट मत करो. एम आई क्लियर? आज कंसंट्रेशन से पढ़ो. Next is Nishwa will tell me. Nishwa, tell me about the jugs. Students, if you don't answer, I will stop teaching. Nishwa, I'm talking to you. Am I audible to you? Nishwa, she's relaxing. Nishwa. Okay. Divit.
Yes, ma'am.
Second picture about the jugs. What will come in the first blank and what will come in the next blank?
Ma'am, first 2 and second also 2.
So what will be the product?
4.
और आप अगर exactly count करोगे तो it is 4. Means your answer is correct. Go to the next one. Tanya.
Excuse me. Ma'am, 5 multiplied by 4.
So what will be the answer?
20.
Yes. Because 5 plus 5
And
plus
ma'am,
5
I
plus
have
5.
done and submitted.
Submitted also. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is, let me see the child name. Anna is there in the class right now? Let me. Anna.
Ma'am, I submit.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Anna, give me about the pairs. Count the pair number of pairs and tell me which two numbers will come and how the product will come.
Ma'am,
This is the reason, students, when you don't pay attention in the class and not attending the classes regularly, this is the problem you face.
ma'am, it's 3 and 2.
Yes, it's 3 and 2. 3 is the column or the row? Anna, I'm talking to you. 3 are the column or the row? Anna, 3 are the columns or the rows?
Rows.
3 are the rows? Rows
Columns.
are sleeping. Yes, 3 are the columns. Standing are the columns. So 3 column बनाए आपने. How many rows are there? 2.
Ma'am, mine is done. So what I have to do?
I will, after this explanation, I will start the new concept.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Yes, please speak.
Ma'am, I am writing first rows, then column.
It's up to you because answer will come same. This is just the method to explain you how to write the equation, how to frame the multiplication sum. Next is Vihan Dobari about the mobiles. Count the number of mobiles in row and column and tell me.
Yeah. The row is 3 and the column is also 3.
What will be the answer?
9.
3 is 6.
9.
Many students make mistake.
9.
9. Next is Jigar Singh. Do about the spoons, depends.
Yes. Ma'am, 3 rows.
3 फिर से rows है 3.
No,
फिर
column.
row और column में confuse हैं आप.
Ma'am, 3 column,
हाँ.
5 rows. 15. 3 5
Yes.
15.
तो आपको काउंट करने की जरूरत पड़ी एक एक ऑब्जेक्ट? नो.
ma'am.
Got the answer. Yes, Mania. Next about this one. Use glasses.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
2 rows and 5 columns.
Yes. So
So
what
2
will be the
multiplied
answer?
by 5 is equal to 10.
Yes. I will go to the next child. Viva. Viva, you have done any answer? No.
No.
Give me this last answer.
4 fours are.
How many rows and how many columns?
4 columns, 4 rows.
Excellent. 4 fours are what?
16.
Yes, very good. I hope everyone completed. Please send me this worksheet today.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Now I am moving to the next thing, next topic.
No, ma'am. I am on the mobile.
Okay, do it. Till that, I will discuss the page number 121 with the students. Come on the page number 121 in your textbooks. Be jars in the shelf. There are 30 now, 30 jars he is as having, and he has to arrange them in the shelf. This is a long shelf with 2 rows. अब shelf already arranged है, 30 jars है. So you can see how many columns and how many rows are there. Please give me the answer. How many rows and how many columns are there in about the jugs?
Ma'am, 15 columns, 2 rows.
Yes, 15 columns and 2 rows. That is the reason we are arranging. Suppose we have spoons and we want to arrange them in the shelf. We have more spoons and we have less shelves. How we will arrange them properly? Right? This is the reason we are learning this. Can you think of the other ways to make a shelf to keep 30 or other ways बताओ? 30 jars को आप और किस किस तरीके से रख सकते हो? ये तो एक वे था. Tell me.
Ma'am, 3 multiplied by 10.
3 into 10 means 3 rows and 10 columns. आप column और row word use करो.
Okay.
So that you will have a habit of.
3 rows.
Yes. Another way. Yes, Viva, another way.
2 columns and 15 rows.
2 columns, 15 rows. Very good. Another way. Can any other child will tell me?
Ma'am, 6 rows, 5 columns.
6 rows and 5 column. Okay. Any other way?
Ma'am, 1 row, 30 columns.
Yes. 1 row, 30
Ma'am,
columns. Then
15 columns, 2 rows.
let me take the attendance. "15 column, 2 rows" is already given in the textbook.
Ma'am, may I say one?
Yes.
15 rows, 2 columns.
15 rows, 2 columns. Already one child has given this answer. 15 rows, 2 columns. Already one child has given answer. Any other way? So will you do it in the all the different ways? Any problem to any child? Nishwa, can you hear me now? Because I can see she's not doing anything. Can anyone instruct Nishwa to sit straight?
Nishwa, sit straight. Sit straight.
She's not listening me.
Ma'am, may I type in the chat box?
Yeah, you can type. Now, easy tricks. I do not know the multiplication table of 7. Now we are learning about the table tricks and the multiplication tables.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Allow me to type in the chat box.
Let me open. Chat box is open. Now, children, किसी भी चीज की ट्रिक समझने से पहले वो चीज समझ में आना जरूरी है, राइट? For example, it's written table tricks. So before learning the tricks of the table, we should know about the tables. We should learn the tables. Clear? So that's the reason I told you to learn the tables from 11 to 15 and write it in your notebooks. I hope everyone completed the tables in the revision notebook. Yes or no? Yes or no? Speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to revise the table. I will put my cursor on the line. We are first going to revise the table of 12. I will put the cursor on my screen. Thank you, Manya, that you are writing for her because she is not listening today in the class. I don't know what she is doing. Vedant and Kevyan, turn on your camera. Okay, this is table of 12. I will put a cursor. You all have to say together. Okay, let's start. Read the first line.
12 ones are
12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 24. 12 twos are 26. 12 threes are 38. 12 fours are 48. 12 six are 72.
One can screenshot or along with my school.
12 is 96.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Vishwa has written that her microphone is not working.
Microphone is not working, but she can listen to us, no? It's okay, leave her. You pay attention in the class. Children, 12 ones are,
12.
12 twos are,
24.
12 threes are, 12 fours are.
48.
Again, we will start from beginning because in this. Jan Patel, mute your mic, please. Aradhya, mute your mic, please. Dania, mute your mic, please. Manya, mute your mic, please. Okay. The students who have some background disturbance at their place, please then don't turn on your mic. Only just do the lip sync because I'm watching every child. Vedant, pay attention here in the class. Bhavya, Saga, sit straight. Only you have to do the lip sync of the numbers. Those who have some background disturbance at their home. Okay, at their place. 12 ones are,
12.
12 twos are,
24.
12 threes are,
36.
12 fours are,
48.
12 fives are,
60.
12 fives are 65.
60.
60.
Then 72.
12 six are,
72.
12 sevens are,
84.
12 eights are, 12 nines are, 12 tens
108,
are,
ma'am. 108.
120. Okay. Now I am moving to the table of 13. 13 ones are, 13 twos are, 13 threes are.
39.
And I request everyone to speak and say, if you have background voice disturbance, like Dhyan Patel, keep your mic off. And please repeat, do the lip sync.
Ma'am, your voice is
Now-
cutting.
Okay. Danya, your mic is also disturbing, so keep it off, bacha. Some background voices are coming. You just do the lip sync because I'm watching every child. Okay. Danya, Aradhya, Dhyan Patel has to keep the mic off. Okay. 13 ones are. Danya, you can speak. You can speak at home, but don't turn off on your mic. I will see. 13 ones are.
26.
30.
Only 13 ones are 13 only.
13 1 is 30.
13 twos are.
26.
13 threes are.
39.
13 fours are. 13 fives are.
65.
13 sixes are. 79.
70.
13 sevens are. 13 eights are.
104.
13 nines are.
108.
117. 117. 13 tens are.
130.
130. We have revised the table of 12. Now mute yourself, everyone. Table of 12 and table of 13. Kevya, you have a network problem. You are coming and going in the class with the camera off. Bhavya Sagar, I have noticed you also that coming and going. Ane, you also coming and going. Please ensure that network is proper now.
Ma'am, I am not coming and going.
I have seen, Bacha. That's the reason I am telling you. Okay. Now we are going to learn. You have learned the tables with the all method which we are learning tables 12 and 13. But there are some table tricks also with which you can make the tables by your own. आप खुद भी बना सकते हैं. Please take out the page number 122 of your textbook. Page number 122 of your textbook. Here you can see the table of 2 and the table of 5 is given. And from the table of 2 and 5, they are making the table of 7. So table of 2, table of 5. Now you have to make the table of 7. How? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. I will do till 5 only, but you can do till 10 and you can easily able to make. Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we have to write this in the notebook.
Can I explain? Then we can discuss. Okay, Vedant?
okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
It's related
it is
to
about.
this?
Yes, ma'am. It is
Okay,
related
tell
about
me.
this.
Tell me.
So, ma'am, I think there is a pattern that that every numbers add the
Yeah.
this product like 5 plus 2 equals to 7. 10 plus 4 equals to 14. These are the tables of
Patterns
7,
also
ma'am.
we are doing.
Hello,
So,
ma'am.
table of 10. Haan ji, Moksh.
2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, not 4.
I did. Thank you. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Now we are going to write the table of 5.
Ma'am, we have to
5,
write this in the
10. No, don't write. Just watch. It is already given in your textbook. Just see how the trick works. 15 and then 10, 20, 30. 15.
20.
What will come next? 20. What will come next?
25.
So when you add this, 2 plus 5 is 7 ones are 7. 4 plus 10 is 14. So 7 twos are 14. 6 plus 15 is 21. So it is 7 threes are 21. So have you seen the magic that with the table, if you know the table of 2 and if you, Jika Singh, mute your mic. If you know the table of 2 and if you know the table of 5, you can easily write the table of 7. Got it? Clear? One more trick is given down. With the table of 4 and 3 also you can write the table of 7. With the table of 4 and table of 3 also you can write the table of 7 which is given down. Now children, I will also tell you one more trick. 2 tricks are already given in your textbook. I am also giving you one trick. And either today or tomorrow also you can share the more tricks with me. Search it, and if you know and if you have already read in the other books, find out and give me the other tricks of multiplication tables. I am giving you one trick. Writing the numbers from 1 to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way only, the pattern which I am showing you. Not like this ki 4 iske baad likha, no. When you will write the way I am writing the numbers from 1 to 30, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I will continue here. 28, 29, 30. When I have written the numbers till 30, by looking at these numbers, have you observed something in these numbers? Yes, Viva.
The table of 3.
Yes, with the last line, the table of 3 is coming. Got it? What you have done? Nothing you have learned. You have not learned the table of 33 also. You just have written the numbers from 1 to 30 and you got the table of 3. Is this a nice idea or not?
Yes.
Ma'am, if we want to find the table of 8, so how do we do?
Same way. See, this trick will work on table of like 3. Now, if I tell you to write the table of 4, so you will write 1 to 40 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. तो ये one series में 4 numbers आने चाहिए. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and so on. आप 40 तक number लिख लोगे तो last line if you observe the table of 4 will come.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. When you were writing, it was seen. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20.
So these are the some simple tricks which I am giving you. So the main concept is why we are learning about the tricks, why we are learning about the rows and columns. The question come in your mind कि मैम हमको simple से सीधे से ये करना क्यों नहीं सिखा देती हैं? Yes or no?
Yes. Ma'am.
It will come
Ma'am,
in your
but
mind
it
or
takes
not?
so much time.
I mean,
But
this it will take.
it will take time, and children, if you will enjoy the chapter no with the basic concepts of another way of multiplication, कि दूसरे भी कोई तरीके होते हैं multiplication के, then you will really enjoy the lesson.
Hello, ma'am. I have a trick of 9 table. Can I tell?
Kevian, I know you're not paying attention also in the class. No camera on, and then you are typing in the chat box.
Hello, ma'am. I have a trick of 9 table. Can I say?
हाँ, 9 table is also a trick. एक बार सीधी और एक बार reverse, right?
Yes, ma'am. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Yes. 0 to 10. Very good move.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I know a 19 table trick, but I forgot. 19 table.
19 table की भी trick है, 9 की भी है. There are many tricks. So there is a line given at your last.
Ma'am, I found the 13 table trick.
We will discuss in the next class.
Ma'am, it can be 10.
Okay, now listen to me, students.
We can cross in the that you have given.
Okay. Page
Ma'am,
number
there is a
122.
trick of 10 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then add zeros at the back.
Okay. 11 का भी trick है ना, इससे तो 11 and 10 table is easy. And see, page number, my dear, time is going to get over. So listen now to this also. Page number 122. Which two tables will you use to write the table of 12? ये trick आप पता करके आएंगे. You have to find out and you have to discuss with me and tell me in the next class. And please start learning the tables. Trick of
Which table?
Which two table? Line is given. No, read this line. Last line. Which two
Okay,
tables you can use to find the table of 12?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. And
12 or 7.
12. Now, listen to me, students. Tomorrow, please learn tables because now from tomorrow, we are going to start the actual multiplication, the algorithm method. Right? Learn tables and come in the class. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.